So this video will be covering Bridgestone's on-site emergency road kit, and they put it in this very padded, I should say, kit. It has everything you could want. It has Velcro, so you can Velcro it to a seat in the back or onto the floor. It has a nice handle and very padded. It does have these cables. I just couldn't fit it back in as it is kind of small. So the cables I will be talking about first are very good quality. It has instructions on how to actually use the cables. As you can see, they are a bit small, so if you have a big semi battery or something, I don't think it would be ideal for it, but any other car, it would be good just to have them just in case. I use them almost every week actually, helping other people that just don't carry them. So opening the bag, this is what it looks like. Very compact, has a lot of good things in it. And the first thing I'd like to talk about is this little beauty. One of the most important things if you're on the highway and stuck. So this is what it's going to look like when it's fully open, and if you do not know already, this is actually, you put it on the side of your car right here. It will attach to the windows and or clip onto the window, and it's just for any cars coming behind you to know that you're there, and these are reflectors, so it's easy to fold up and down, just a matter of seconds, and you can put it back in the case whenever you want. It goes in pretty well. Next will be this beauty. I love this thing. I use it almost all the time. It is a portable air compressor. These things actually are almost worth the whole bag combined, just because, as you can see on the back, it is very compact. That's actually for balls, like basketball, soccer balls, anything. And it hooks up right to a cigarette lighter, so your car does need to be able to work. You plug it in, and you can see right here the PSIs and everything. It does take a little bit, but if you're on the side of the road and you need it, it's good to be there. Next in the bag, you have these, one smaller bag and a knife. The knife is actually just there, just in case you do get in a car accident and the person is stuck and you need to cut them out of their seatbelt or anything else you could actually use it for. I've been using it for cutting ropes on a trailer or stuff like that. Then we have a first aid kit. In this first aid kit, there's band-aids, there's gauze, there's some tape, as you can see, a lot of band-aids. This is very useful if you get in a small accident and your child is cut up or you're cut up and you just need just something small to do. But next thing is a poncho, which is useful if you get a flat in a training and you really don't want to be out there trying to get a flat and getting rained on. This little thing, as you may already know, is a flashlight. Goes on your head, has different settings, and it does come with batteries, which is really nice. Very compact, very useful. I've never ever been able to use it or need to use it, but will always work, and it's very bright. So, and the red is just to know to use, and so people know you're there. Next in the bag, you have some super dry, just to keep everything from getting wet and moldy, keeps the moisture out, keeps everything good. And then you got bungee straps. All I can really see this to be used for is to strap down the whole container into your trunk or wherever else you would like to put it. These are actually little gloves you can use, so if someone is bleeding and you want to help them, you just put on some gloves and you can help them without any of the risk. Next will be this. It's an emergency blanket. This is very useful for if you are cold and out and your car is not working and maybe emergency vehicles can't get to you for a while. You would use this, wrap yourself up, and it would keep you warm. This whole video was all done with a Bridgestone on-side kit. There's other roadside kits that you can use. AAA does a very good job of doing it. This one you can get on Amazon for about I think it was about $50, which is how much they normally all go for. And in the comments, I would like you to just comment if you like the video or anything I can do better next time, and give me any tips on if you know a better roadside kit that, or if you make your own. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.